The Big Five Blunders of Israel and the Israel-Iran Conflict, a deep dive into strategic miscalculation. A gripping start. In the shadows of missiles and espionage, one of the fiercest rivalries of the 21st century unfolds between Israel and Iran. Overview of the ongoing Israel-Iran tensions, nuclear threat, cyber warfare, proxy conflicts, Syria, Lebanon, etc. Introduce the article's purpose, revealing Israel's 5 major strategic missteps. Tone, eye-opening, dramatic, fact-based. Mistake number 1, underestimating Iran's proxy network. Israel's underestimation of Iran's influence through Hezbollah, Houthis, and Shia militias in Iraq and Syria. Failed calculations in Lebanon and Gaza. Surprise attacks and logistical failures. How this empowered Iran without direct confrontation. Mistake number 2, over-reliance on covert operations. Shadow wars gone wrong, when sabotage backfires. Israel's heavy use of Mossad for assassinations, cyber attacks, like Stuxnet, and covert raids. Iran adapting with stronger cyber defenses and misinformation tactics. Risk of international backlash and damaged diplomatic image. Escalation instead of de-escalation. Mistake number 3, misjudging Iran's missile capability. Shadows, not missiles. Initial downplaying of Iran's long-range missile program. How Iran surprised Israel with precision strikes, via Syria, Iraq, Yemen. Failure of Iron Dome to fully neutralize the threat. Result, civilian panic, global concern, diplomatic pressure. Mistake number 4, alienating global allies, sing alone, when allies turn their backs. Aggressive moves, preemptive strikes, civilian casualties, led to condemnation from UN, even US hesitation. Israel's strategic image as defender, lost in the fog of war. How Iran gained sympathy in Global South, diplomatic clout increased. Missed chances for coordinated international pressure on Tehran. Mistake number 5, misreading Iran's internal stability. Setbacks that didn't break, miscalculating regime collapse. Israel expected Iran's internal dissent, protests, economic turmoil, to weaken leadership. Instead, external threats united public behind government. Failure of psychological and economic warfare. Iran's political elite grew bolder, not weaker. Lessons from the shadows, Israel's missed chances and the new Middle East equation. Sum up how these 5 missteps reshaped the Israel-Iran strategic balance. Future implications for regional security, global diplomacy, nuclear threats. Final line. In the war of minds and missiles, miscalculation is the deadliest weapon.